Okay. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what time you are watching this. Okay. Anyway, like I promise you, right? I promise you that I'm gonna show the solution to this problem for you. It's a PAT1. I think you want to kill me, right? This problem is so hard. Okay. But anyway, ha 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 ha. You cannot kill me. I can do it. Okay, so the problem it says, given that A, B, and C are like any set, and let's say are the sum of the members of set A, set B, and set C is 301. And another information is that like A union B union C is 102. And it asks you for this minimum, right? Minimum of the intersection of the three sets. So I know that you are thinking of the Venn diagram. I think of it too. So I already have it here. I already have it here on the left. And then when you see like in A and B and C like that in U, union, intersect, you should think of this, right? You should think of this formula. Yay, I think of that too. So I have it there. Okay. So let's fill in the information that we have now. I'm going to change to that red color. So this one, 301, right? In A plus and B plus and C. This group, it is 301. Okay, fill in the information. This group, the union, 102. Chup, chup, 102. And then it asks for this one, the minimum of this. So that one will be our X because we don't know. We don't know. What is it yet? So let it be X. So go back to the Venn diagram, right? X is in the formula there in the Venn diagram. It's there in the middle. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to solve this equation, but somehow it has some difficulties because I don't know what is A intersect B intersect C and A intersect C. So again, when we don't know anything, we let it be X, right? But oh, we already have an X, so I'm gonna let it be the other letters. Okay, let's start here. This region, A only. This part belongs to A, so I'm gonna let it be small a. Okay, small a. That represent the number of elements that are in A only. And then this one is going to be like little b for the same reasons. And this one is going to be little c. And then I'm done with that. Let's go orange color. Okay, I like orange. Okay, so this part, A intersect B, right? But not include X, intersect B, but not include X, so that is C. Okay, this one I let it be E, and that one is F. Okay, so now we have like other letters for other regions. So our calculation is going to be like easier. So this one, in A intersect B, right? If we go to the Venn diagram, A intersect B is CX, right? C plus X. So let's insert like C plus X there. This one B intersect C. Go back to the Venn diagram. B intersect C is X and E. So I put like E plus X there. And then this one, A intersect C is FX. So I'm gonna put like F plus X there. Hey, this one X. Maybe we move it up there. And take this one out. And let's make it simple. Simplify the equations. I think that I see this plus X, and this one I have like minus C plus X. Distributing, I'm gonna have like minus X, right? So this X and that X we can cancel. So this one minus C, I'm gonna move it to the left, right? I'm gonna have like equal there. So this C will just go there. And then I'm sorry. This C will just go there. And this, oh, I'm sorry. I already have a C, right? A, B, C, though that one is D, not C. Maybe I make a mistake. So that one should be like letter D. And this one should be letter D. Okay, not letter C, I'm sorry. So this one is letter D. See? Mistake is a teacher, right? Okay, minus D, move to the left, we have that. And this minus D, I move it there. D, right? Minus E, move it there. It will be plus E. And this one minus F, it's plus F. And this one we have minus X and another minus X. So that will be like minus 2X, but we move it to the left. So we have plus 2X. This one 301 is on the right. 102, move it to the right. So it will be minus. So we do the math. That will be equal to 199. 199. Okay, so let's group something a little bit to make it easier. And then I'm going to call that equation number 1. Okay. You know, yesterday when I got this information, I was stopped like for 2 hours. I didn't know where to go. But somehow, yeah, I try harder. So I go back there and I look at this information, this one, 102, right? And then I think maybe I can write that 102 in terms of like those letters, the regions. So I just do it. Like I will not wait. Like I will just do it now. So let's do it now. So that one, like union is 102. So we have to find well, no, we don't have to find. We have to do like the sum of all those letters, right? So we're gonna have like this A, B, and C, right? So I'm gonna write it here. Like I'm gonna have this A, B, C. Okay, and then D, E, F, right? Add with a D, E, F. But now I'm gonna try to group them according to the color. And then X, right? The red one, X, and that is equal to 102. And I let it be information number 2, right? Equation number 2. So now what we want is a minimum number of this, right? That is X. So we want to have X. We want to have X. So what we don't want is this D, E, F, and A, B, C, but somehow I think that we can eliminate D, E, F, but we cannot eliminate A, B, C. So we're gonna try to eliminate the D, E, F out by doing this. 2 minus 1, right? Oh no, sorry, like 1 minus 2. Because 1 is bigger than 2. 199, 102. So I do list 1 minus 2. So I'm going to have 1 minus 2, right? 2x minus x. Chup, chup. We have x. And then minus with that, a plus b plus c. And the other side, 199 minus 102. That will be 97. Right? 97. And then if we move it, I think I ran out of space. So let me copy something. This one. Put the box in it. Copy. And we will go to the other side. Okay. Paste it here. Chop. Aha. We're on the next page now. Same information on the next page. So let's move it something a little bit, right? We want to have X. So I want to have like X alone on my left hand side. 97. This one, move it to the right. I'm gonna have like plus A, B, and C. Okay, so now what do we need? We need X to be minimum, right? We need X to be minimum. We need X to be minimum. So if this X want to be like minimum, we're gonna have to look. This 97 is fixed, right? So how about this one? This one is not fixed, right? This one is add. So the more you add, the more you get more, right? So if you add more numbers, X will be bigger. So what do you think? What do you think? I think that if we want X to be minimum, this one has to be like minimum too, right? This one has to be minimum too. So what and what is the minimum number that you can have? This one has to be 0, right? This one has to be 0. right? If this one is 0, we will have x minimum equal to 97, right? But anyway, this is not yet the answer. We just think that it should be 97. So let's go back, right? If we assume this ABC, right? This ABC to be 0, is it possible? Is it possible? Is it going to make something like become like an error in our equation? So we just have to go back, right? This one, we're gonna check with our equation that we have. Okay, like if ABC is 0, let's use the pink color. Okay, this is the pink color. If ABC is 0, then we will have x equal to 97, right? We will have x equal to 97. So 97 plus BEF will be 102. So we are going to have BEF equals to 5. Okay, that is possible. So we go back a bit. If BEF is 5, sure, right? And if x is 97, 97 times 2 will be that is 190 194. 194 plus 5 is 199. So that's okay. This one is also okay. And then 1 and 2, we get it from that equation. So I think that should be like okay, because I see no problem. I see no errors. So come back here. So this one, if I say like x minimum is 97, I think that it's not going to be just a thing now. I think this one should be okay. This one should be our answer. Okay. So this problem, PAT1, we have the answer equal to 97. And I wish that this one is going to help you. Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow at the school, okay? Bye-bye.